So in this Notes app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scan text on the Notes app. So once the Notes app's opened up, go ahead and have your text right here. Instead of pressing on this right here, go to the bottom left and press on the paperclip icon, and then go to where it says scan text. Now what it's going to do is open up your camera right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys my computer screen right here. So this is the screen. It's going to go ahead and show you the text. Go ahead and press insert, and there you go. The text that was showing on your screen in this case. So text example, hello, goodbye, test. It's scanned successfully from your computer onto your Notes app. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to scan text on your Notes application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.